Hey, Anthony here, outside the OBGYN, so, me and fiance can get a physicians group, the OBGY, that sign off on her therapy for certain physical therapy next Tuesday for the car accident. And her first OBGYN appointment, gotta wait 10 weeks before she can go see it, so it's not till the end of the month. Having a baby is a lot of work. Y'all women do it. I commend y'all. Y'all are emotional, you're aggravated, you have so much crap to deal with when you just find out you're pregnant. I don't know why they put so much on y'all's plate from the get-go. But I commend y'all. And that's why you need support in your life for everything you do. If you're going to try to have a baby, it takes two. If you're going to try to have a family, it should be a man and a woman. If you're going to try to build a business, you need a team. Because if you're doing everything on your own, the solo act, the self-employed individual, you're just an employee for yourself. That's why when you're building a referral marketing or any sort of business, you need to be duplicating yourself and building a team and teach them what you're doing, so that way you free up your time. Because once you start having duplication, you start having choices. Just like with content creation, with TikTok, YouTube, all that stuff. When you start having people sharing your content, subscribing to your channels, duplicating what you're doing, or actually implementing the strategies that you're sharing with them, then you start gaining freedom, because the companies or the channel is starting to pay you and all that stuff. That's why so many people are trying to become content creators nowadays, because it's very lucrative if you're good at it. If you're either extremely entertaining, you're providing a lot of value with the information. So a lot of people don't like the stuff I talk about because it goes against the grain of what most people, it's what everybody wants, but it goes against the grain of what everyone thinks is how to go about life. I said, stop trying to do everything by yourself. Stop trying to be a solo act. Stop trying to trade your time for money and find ways to make your money working for you by duplicating yourself, investing in cash flow producing assets, building a home-based referral marketing business. So every time you refer somebody to what your person benefited from, whether that be the opportunity or the physical products or services, you're planting a money tree. And as those people keep benefiting from what your person is benefiting from, your money tree keeps print money. So you do something once and you keep getting paid for it. And that's why building a team is so important. As you sponsor other people, you go to work for them to make them become successful. Well, when they get their first 3 to 5 money trees planted personally, so that way they can benefit from the residual cash flow. They can be benefiting from the physical products or services, and it's a win-win. Everyone is winning. All you're doing is helping each other. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube or my TikTok channel, if you want your handheld, subscribe to the premium level of the TikTok channel to show your support, and I'll hand walk you through the 3-step system. If you can't spare an extra, I don't even know how much it is, to subscribe to become a follower. If you can't do that, just DM me and I'll send you the PDF and audio book so you can do the self-educational portion and educate yourself on the system and the industry that can allow you to get on the path to owning your life. And you have more time, money, and health, that time you can enjoy it with people you care about. And again, if you get any value out of what I'm sharing with you, send me some gifts, send me some super likes, show me that you're actually paying attention to what I'm saying. But I gotta get back in here to see what's going on with WYN. So y'all have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that beautiful social media stuff. Y'all have a great day.